Copper.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Abazusi, and welcome to the orientation session for SAKEC Chipmonk Hackathon. And it's great to see you, many enthusiastic students and participants who are interested in the exploring the world of VLSI and semiconductor design. As we know that we are here to discuss about the hackathon, what is hackathon, why, what we do in this hackathon. So this hackathon is very unique and opportunity for the student who move beyond the theory and the actual design, verify and innovate real VLSI IP designs, gain hands-on experience that's aligned with industry practices. So you will learn more about industry things apart from theory. And over the course of this session, we will walk through the objective of this hackathon and the journey and the phases and the submission guidelines that we have to follow to win the hackathon. And there is a reward of this, like prize money is also there, and you will also get opportunity to work with Monk as an internship if you qualify the hackathon. And we will clear your like what what you have doubt in this session. We will clear all things. So without further delay, let's start the session. So starting with this, wait a minute. So we have agenda of today, introduction of hackathon and why this hackathon journey and phases, prize money and pool money, and submission guideline. And in the last, we will do Q&A. So if you are serious about building a career in VLSI, or if you want to become truly industry ready, then this orientation could be real turning point for your. So today we will going to talk about SAKEC Chipmonk Hackathon 2026 and national level hackathon design specially for VLSI and electronics students like you. So we are collaborating with SAKEC College and Chipmonk. And what is Chipmonk? If you don't know about the Chipmonk, so Chipmonk is a non-profit initiative by Monk 9 Tech aim to empowering the next generation of semiconductor innovator through the open education, collaborative and community-driven learning. So in this, we are community where we will learn about semiconductor, how we design the things, and it's an open source. We don't charge anything. It's a free, and we will learn here about open source technology, which are available in this domain like EDA tool, Open Lane, Open Road. These are the things. And at Monk 9 Tech, India's first startup-led semiconductor foundry. So we are first India semiconductor foundry. Our mission goes beyond silicon. We are committed to building the ecosystem and nurturing the talent that will define India's semiconductor future. So in Chipmonk, we build community to the chip explorer verification and SoC development and directly real world problem we will solve in this hackathon. So the best part about this hackathon is that the Monk 9 Tech will support the student who will win this hackathon. We will provide free tap out from our foundries. So you can directly tap out your ideas into real silicon. If you design the part and if it goes workout, so we will tap out into our foundry. So the initiative is driven by the vision of founder of this Monk 9 Tech, Mamik Bhatt. Those who believe that make India semiconductor hub, we must first build the semiconductor mindsets. So in India, there are lack of guidance and all, so we are providing that thing. Okay, so the next part will cover by Anushka.
Yes, so uh, a very good afternoon to everyone. So, I would like to share some of my personal hackathon experience. So, I was a winner in national level hackathon, uh, that is DIRV Symposium Hackathon. So, hackathon helped me open many opportunities in semiconductor domain. Like I believe many different colleges students have being a part of this hackathon. So everywhere there are very limited semiconductor companies coming in, but when you win a semiconductor hackathon, you can showcase that as an achievement to the companies. And in this hackathon, they are doing something unique. So you will have a chip tape. So you will have chip. So when you will be part of this hackathon, you will design your IP, and then you can get it taped out at Monk. So you can show to the industry, when you go for industry interviews, you can show them your taped out chip. So that is something very amazing that you can show to the companies when you join. So why hackathon? So first, hackathons bring together people who genuinely care about building technology. So when you enter a hackathon environment, you are surrounded by individuals who are equally motivated to solve problems. And second, hackathons shift the mindset from case studies to real solutions. So in university projects, the problem statement is often simplified and structured. So in hackathons, the challenge is more open-ended. So the participant must understand the real-world context, and then they really solve like just like industry way. So the third, hackathon teach teamwork and engineering discipline. So building a working solution in a short time requires clear division of responsibilities. You need to divide the work among the team. Like you need to give design work, implementation, verification, documentation, and presentation. So another major valuable aspect of hackathon is mentor feedback. So many hackathons involve experienced engineers who evaluate projects from an industry perspective. So in this hackathon, we will be having mentors. So they will help you uh, 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 go through this hackathon with industry perspective. So their feedback often reveals something important. That is, engineering is not about building as many features as possible. It is about identifying the single most impactful feature and refining it until it delivers clear value. So the perspective is critical in semiconductor design as well. So whether we are building a processor block, verification environment, or hardware acceleration, the goal is not complexity, the goal is impact. It will create efficiency and practical usability. So hackathons also help students overcome something very common in engineering, that is the imposter syndrome. So when students enter environments filled with talented peers, it is not natural to question whether they belong there or not. So however, hackathons demonstrate that everyone is learning, experimenting, and out together. So the hackathon will help you gain confidence to face the industry. So finally, hackathons open doors in many ways that are often unexpected. Recruiters and industry professionals view hackathon participation as an evidence of initiative and problem solving ability. So a hackathon project can become a portfolio piece, a research direction, or even a foundation for a future startup idea. So most importantly, hackathon encourage students to take risk in the early career. So the objective of this hackathon is we will build real skill. We give student actual hands-on VLSI design experience, not just theory. We will encourage students to come up with some real industry which help create a collection of open, reusable, and verification-ready IP blocks that the entire community can benefit from. So it will also develop ownership thinking. So it trains the students to fully own their design, not just know how to use a tool, but understand its understand every decision they make, and most importantly, it will support India's semiconductor mission. It aligns student innovation with India's national goal of becoming a global chip design hub. And we are providing mentors also in this hackathon. It will help identify high potential student, and we will support their growth even after the hackathon ends. So we have very carefully curated the problem statements of this hackathon. It will not just help students to enhance their skills, but it will also help the nation, because these problem statements are so we are dependent on China for these chip and everything. So in India, we will be creating these chips and we will tape out these chips in India itself, and this will help reduce dependency on other countries. So it aligns with the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. So yes, Vaibhav, I would like to hand over to Vaibhav now.
So who can participate in this hackathon? So who are in undergrad from second year, they can participate like second year, third year, in fourth year, and who are doing masters, they can also do VLs. They are doing VLSI electronics and embedded system. They also can participate. And those who are early stage VLSI enthusiasts, they also can participate. So if you have 2 to 4 members in your team, you can participate, or you can also participate solo. And the theme of the hackathon, like the core problem, the hackathon will focus on essential VLSI IP blocks, like that the form of backbone of SoC and ASIC, like system on chip and application specific integrated circuit, like industrial and automotive IPs, vision and imaging IPs, audio and signal processing. So these are the theme of hackathon. So these are the problem statement where you have to solve the problem and make a IP on the basis of this problem statement. And these are the phase where you have to do, like you have completed the phase one, like registration. Registration are open till now, so you can register. 2 days more registration will be open. After that, that second session, phase two, is going on, like orientation. So we will cover the orientation session, hackathon goal, expectation, everything will be covered. Third session will be development part. It start from today to till 4th of April. Then we will submit your what you have made, like RTL code, source verification. You have to submit this thing via GitHub. We will review it and we will filter out those who are perfect candidate for that. And after finalizing the top 20, top 30 students, we will they have to come in evaluation part where they have to present their code in front of judge, and after that we will decide the winner, and the winner will get the prize money. So prize money of this is, the first prize will get 30K, second prize 20K, and third prize is 10K. So it's not about prize money. You will learn about industry, and you will get industry exposure. You will get network opportunity from your fellow mates, like same participants who are doing same things. So you will get opportunity, and certificate also will there for who will participate in this part. And yeah, registration is open. You can register on this, scan the code, and the live demonstration will be taken by Anushka, how you have to upload the code in GitHub, and what are the technical formalities you have to done in this. Anushka?
Yes. So are you able to see my screen? Yes.
Yes, visible.
So I will share about the problem statements. So these are the problem statements. We have industrial and automotive IPs. In this, we have given some ideas on what kind of IPs you can make. You can choose among these IPs, and if you have some other IP ideas, you are welcome to present your innovation. Like for example, in industrial and automotive IP, you can work on a power measurement IP, motor control IP, some for sensor fusion IPs. So these IPs which we have put in this PDF, we have discussed this with the semiconductor industry veteran. Then we have put these. So these are very important IPs in the industry. So you can go through these problem statements. This is the vision and imaging IP development track. So you can develop a video pipeline core and some image signal processing core, some HDMI IP or video watermarking IP or something like that. So these are some ideas you can choose from. Then we have audio and signal processing IP development. Some you can work on audio DSP IP, some edge analytics IP, SDR core. We also have AI hardware and RISC-V development track in this. You can work on some accelerators, AI accelerator, quantization engine. You can work on some RISC-V project also. And you can work on network on chip. So these are some ideas and tracks you can work on. And now, how you have to submit your projects. So you will be designing project on some. If you have Vivado or Quartus, you can work on that also. You can design the on that and do the simulation, generate a bit stream. And if you don't have FPGA, so no worries. So when you are all done with your simulations, you will upload your designs on GitHub. You will have to properly document your project also. Like this is just a sample repo. You have to create a block diagram like how your IP is working, some overview, like you have to create this project structure, how your code is arranged in the GitHub repository, and you have to just give some basic introduction what your project is and everything. And then we will select the best projects, some top projects out of that, and we will give you some FPGA support also so that you can deploy your bit stream on FPGA. And if you have FPGA, you can use it and show your project on that, create a video of your FPGA. And like you created a motor control IP, so you deploy the motor control IP code on FPGA and you can connect some motor and show the demonstration. So the creativity part is up to you. You can make the project as innovative as you can. And yes, like if you don't have any FPGA, you no issues. You don't have Ultra or Xilinx, or you can also try some Lattice FPGA also, because it uses open source FPGA toolchain. And if you have no such FPGA or anything, so you can use GTK Wave iVerilog also for simulation, and you can create some simulation from that also. That also works. And you have to create put the screenshots also of your simulation, like I'll show you some work on how you can create put your simulations. You have to put screenshots like this of your simulation of how your IP is working. And those who have also deployed their project on FPGA can create a video also and send us. So this is from my side, like how you have to present your project. And I hope everyone know GitHub documentation here. All have GitHub accounts. Yes. So now I would like to hand over to Webhub.
Hello. So yeah, so this is the session of today orientation program. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
We will float this IPs PDF which I shown you just now.
Excuse me. If we have any doubt or anything, who would be the contact person?
You can post in the orientation group or you can message me also. I'm in the orientation group and we will have mentors also. We will introduce them to you soon in just some few days. So you can ask your queries to them and ask selected queries because this is a hackathon. We will not tell you everything about the project. We can help you some basic some technical queries, but you have to research on your own for this hackathon and develop your solution.